Ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Karibi no arathie na mbere kuomboreza gikuo gia kahuni gake Joseph Mwandulo karia gakorirwo gakihuruka kuhitukira mutino wa barabara gakiuma cukuru on the 1st of April mwaka uyu. No ringi Karibi na ingira nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria kuria korwo agipost ndumiriri ya mwanya muno on her Facebook page akionania kimako giake na itanagikuonia ndeto ino irakimakirie Karibi na korwo share na fans ake makiria aria marakorirwo makimusupport kana kumuhe guoko during this difficult time. Jetikiria nyambe gunyite ugeni o ringi na gucokerie ngatho cia mwanya ndu wa gwitikira guthie na mbere gutwarana na ithui. Karibi arauga ndeto iria irakorirwo ikimwikira kimako kiingi muno during this hard time ni kuona uria she has so many friends she could rely kana to count on. Karibi ugete before this difficult time she did not know ati she had such a huge family of friends. Na gukuote gicunje kia ndeto iria agikorwo agipost on her Facebook page akiuga I never knew I had such a huge family that I can count on. Na ici ni imwe cia ndeto iria agikorwo akigweta na gucokeria andu taya ngatho at large kuma the media fraternity, politician, arata aria araugire ati nginya aini who came and supported her akauga she never knew she had such a huge family. Mudungi watiga andu na surprise nene muno guku nenda-ini ni journalist Kanze Dena uria wa surprise her fans na bisha cia her grown son. According to comments iria ciatukinyira, Kanze Dena akorwo akireceive after ku announce ndeto cia her celebrating 18th birthday ya her son. Not many who knew she had a grown up son. We both wish her son a happy birthday. Kuona andu aingi ni makorwo makigegio ni ndeto iyo ati Kanze Dena has a son uria urage celebrate 18th birthday muthenya wa mothe, na ni agikorwo agitumira her social media pages to wish her son a happy birthday. Ona ithuĩ tugakenyitanira na aria othe marakendithiria mwanake uyu wa Kanze Dena, journalist Kanze Dena a happy birthday. Gukinya ndeto iyo haudi kumitwara makiria ndaciaria toria cianginyira tucemanie na wa next one.